Good day, everyone. Today we are here to discuss a fascinating topic about mathematics. Is it something we invent, like a clever tool? Or, or is it something we discover, like a hidden treasure? On the invented side, we have John Limuel Plamiano and Clark Justin Ramos. On the discovery side, we have Muhammad Rasul Taha and Aisel Paderan. Let's start with John Limuel Plamiano.
Interesting. Well, ako para sa akin, naniniwala ako na ang mathematics ay naimbento. Hindi naman to parang bigla-bigla lang susulpot. After all, tayo naman ang gumawa ng mathematical concepts, mga symbols. Tayo rin ang gumawa ng mga mathematical problems para lang masagutan.
But consider this pare. Mathematics seems to exist independent of us. Nandyan man tayo o wala, nandyan na mas nauna pa yung mathematics at nag-aantay na lang madiskubre. Think about the Pythagorean theorem. It describes the relationship between the sides of a right triangle. Did we invent that or did we uncover a fundamental truth about the triangle?
Fair point. But let's talk about numbers. We invented the symbols for numbers, right? Like 1, 2, and so on.
Totoo. Pero yung concept ng counting in quantity ay universal. Kahit sino kaya yun maintindihan, kahit hayop kaya maintindihan yon. Hindi natin inimbento yung idea na 2 apples eh. Na-discover natin yon.
Pero mga pre, paano naman yung imaginary numbers? Mga imaginary numbers nga hindi nag-i-exist sa totoong mundo eh. Yung mga imaginary number ay in-invent natin para lang masagutan ang mga equations o problems.
Imaginary numbers help us understand complex phenomena, like electrical circuits. Maybe we invented the notation, but the underlying principles were just waiting to be discovered.
Okay, let's switch gears. Geometry Euclid's Elements was written thousands of years ago. We invented those proofs, right?
Yung mga gawa pa rin ni Euclides is nire-reveal lang yon yung mga internal truths tungkol sa mga shapes tsaka space na hindi natin inimbento yung Pythagorean theorem eh. Nahanap natin yun, na-discover.
Pero pre, sa bawat generation, ang math nag-evolve. May mga bagong theorems, algorithms, mga concept nag-emerge. Hindi ba yun invention?
Totoo pare, but think of it as uncovering layers of reality. Take for instance an onion. Sibuyas pare, habang binabalatan mo siya, mas lalo kang nakaka-discover ng mga bagong layers. We build upon what's already there. It's like exploring a hidden cave. We didn't create the cave, but we illuminate its beauty.
Both perspectives offer compelling arguments. Ultimately, whether mathematics is seen as invented or discovered might depend on the context and perspective you bring to the question. Both views can coexist and provide valuable insights into the nature of mathematics. That's all. Thank you for watching.